would you like to know the exact system that I've used to make over $1 million online by using the snowball method? And this is using 100% free traffic. Before we go any further, I'm just going to give you some undeniable proof that this is exactly how much money I've made, and you can see it in front of you. So we are logged into my Warrior Plus account, and you can see the total revenue here is 1,009,000. It's actually slightly more than the figure I just gave you. The reason is because I'm doing this all the time. I'm using this all the time, every single day, to make money, to make sales in my business. So this is the reason why this number is actually going up all the time. So you can see, if we scroll down, you can see that over the years, I've released lots and lots and lots of different products on the internet. So these can be simple ebooks, they could be very simple video courses, they could be some type of a training webinar. There's all different types of training that you can create. The most important thing is, though, you can sell information on the internet and make some very, very good money. So it doesn't really matter what format you sell it in, but this is what I've been doing for many, many years, and it's very simple to do. And I've just rinsed and repeated this many, many times. So I don't know how many products I've actually released over the years, probably hundreds. But if we scroll all the way down here, you can see total $1 million or 1,009,000 and over 56,000 sales. So this is a result, as I said, of creating simple information, training and courses and releasing them on the internet and making money from them. This is one of the best business models I personally think you can ever use, because it's something which you can make some very good money from, and it is easily scalable. Now, this is something that I got involved in over 10 years ago, because I got to a stage where I didn't know where to focus my attention and all of my efforts. So what I decided to do was I started to become a creator. I started to create more. And this is exactly what I did. And as a result, I've made over $1 million. And this has made me a lot of money over the years. I've had some very, very good paydays, and I've made up to $20,000 in a single month and over $5,000 in a single day. And what I'm going to be sharing with you in this case study is exactly how I've done this, step by step. So this is a case study backed up by undeniable proof and many, many years in the trenches, making money, selling courses, and generating over 56,000 sales. So just imagine how much time you're going to save and how many mistakes you're going to avoid just by going through what I'm going to show you here in my case study. So you can easily become a creator and a digital product seller, but there are many things that you need to know and things that you need to make sure that you do, and also what you shouldn't do. And selling your own products, your own services and your own digital real estate online is one of the best ways to make money on the internet, because it gives you freedom. You can work from just about any location in the world, so you're not geographically restricted, and you can still make as much money as you want to. And this is why this is one of my favorite ways to make money and to serve my customers. I call this my snowball method, and you will understand why I call it my snowball method once you go through the training and the case study. You will see exactly why I call it that, and the exact strategies and traffic methods and systems that I use in order to do this. So if you want to go through this case study, this is a one-of-a-kind case study. No one else has done this before, as far as I know. So I'm giving you real data here, backed up by undeniable proof, and also over a decade of data that I've gathered myself in my own business, doing exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this case study. If you want this case study, then click the button below. There is an extra bonus though. If you decide to pick this up then I'm also going to be throwing in PLR rights as well. So it's a bit of a no-brainer. It's a win-win whichever way you look at it, because you can grab this yourself, go through it, use the information, use it in your business, and it will help you to make more money, more sales. Or you could just buy it and use it for the PLR rights and use it in your business to give away for free, to build more buyers on your lists, to put it in a membership site, a members area. It's entirely up to you. So it's a win-win whichever way you look at it. But whatever you do, make sure you grab it as soon as you possibly can, because the price is going up with every sale. It's going to start off very cheap, but the price will be going up quickly. Now, this is a special offer that I'm running right now. So that is the reason why it is so cheap. So make sure you click the button below as soon as you possibly can. Go and grab your copy, and you can start going through the case study within the next couple of minutes after you purchase. So I really hope that you love everything that I've got for you, because the things that I'm going to be sharing with you are life-changing, and they will completely transform and change your business overnight. So click the button below, grab your copy along with the PLR rights, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside very soon.